Analysis of sentence. Analysis means breaking up of a sentence into its parts with a view to show their natural relation and the part they play in the sentence. A sentence can be divided into clauses. For example, Sheila said that she was a good girl. I came, but you went away. If you join, I shall guide you. Suresh was ill and he died as the doctor did not come. In the above example, sentence first, Sheila said that she was a good girl. It has two clauses, Sheila said, and the second clause, that she was a good girl. In sentence number 2, it has again two clauses, I came, and the second one, but you went away. Sentence number 3, it also has two clauses, if you join, and the second one, I shall guide you. But sentence number 4, Suresh was ill and he died as the doctor did not come. It has three clauses, Suresh was ill and he died as the third one, as the doctor did not come. Therefore, a group of words that forms part of a sentence and has a subject and a predicate is called a clause. A clause has a definite verb. In the above sentences 1 to 4, the clause which is independent in its meaning is called principal clause. So now kinds of clauses. Clauses are of the following kinds: principal clause, and that is coordinate clause. Clauses are of the following kinds: principal clause, the clause which can stand by itself as a complete sentence or which makes complete sense is called the principal clause. For example, we shall help you because you are our relative. In the above sentence, we shall help you is the principal clause, and that is another one, because you are our relative, is a coordinate clause. She said that she would not cook the food. She said is the principal clause. Coordinate clause, which is introduced by a coordinating conjunction and it is independent of any other clause, is called the coordinate clause. They went and you came. Hari slept but Sharad went. In the above sentence, you came is a coordinate clause because it makes a complete sense and is the coordinating conjunction. Subordinate clause, the clause which is dependent on any other clause for its meaning is called the subordinate clause. For example, I know that you are a beautiful girl. So I know is the principal clause and that you are a beautiful girl is a subordinate clause. Subordinate clauses are also of three kinds: noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. Noun clause, a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of a noun in a sentence is known as the noun clause. For example, I believe that she will guide me. So in the above sentence, that she will guide me are or that he is correct are or is noun clause. Adjective clause, a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of an adjective in a sentence is called an adjective clause. For example, she is a woman who is loved by everybody. So here, who is loved by everybody is an adjective clause. Adverb clause, a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate and does the work of an adverb in a sentence is known as an adverb clause. For example, please wait till I return. So till I return is an adverb clause. Parenthetical clause, the clause which has no connection with any other clause in a sentence is called a parenthetical clause. It comes between two commas. For example, the boy whom you helped, I am sure, was poor. So in the above sentence, the boy was poor is the principal clause. Whom you helped is the adjective clause. So qualifying the noun boy in clause first. I am sure is the parenthetical clause. I am sure is the parenthetical clause.